Every car dies twice. The first time, when the engine finally gives up. The second, the moment bad habits begin. Most new drivers don't crash their cars. They slowly destroy them. One drive, one mistake, one habit at a time. Today, I'm exposing the 5 silent mistakes that cost drivers thousands in repairs. And number 5 might be the one you're doing tomorrow morning. Welcome to Zero to Mechanic, where we help everyday drivers save thousands without becoming mechanics. Let's begin. You start your car, then immediately RPM climbs. The engine screams, feels powerful, but inside, cold oil hasn't reached every moving part. Metal rubs against metal, tiny scratches, tiny damage, every single morning. Modern engines don't need long warm-ups, but they do need gentle driving. Start the engine, wait a few seconds, drive smoothly, keep RPM low until the engine reaches operating temperature. Your engine will last much longer. Your foot stays here, just resting, on the brake pedal. Seems harmless. It isn't. Constant braking creates heat. Heat destroys brake pads. Heat warps brake rotors. Your stopping distance grows. Your repair bill grows too. Brake only when needed, then release. Your brakes are built to stop the car, not drag it. That little light isn't decoration. It's your car asking for help. Ignore it today, and tomorrow, a small repair becomes a major failure. Oil pressure, battery, engine temperature. These lights exist for one reason, to warn you. Before something expensive happens, never wait, scan it, diagnose it, fix it early. Oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, they all have one job, keep expensive parts alive. But most new drivers never check them. Low oil destroys engines, old coolant overheats them, dirty brake fluid weakens stopping power. 5 minutes every month can save thousands later. Open the hood, look. Check. Done. This may be the most common mistake. Your tires lose air naturally, even when nothing is wrong. Just a few PSI low means worse fuel economy, longer braking distance, uneven tire wear, poor handling, and a much higher chance of a blowout. Check your tire pressure once a month. It takes 2 minutes and could save your life. Here's the good news. Avoid these 5 habits, and your car can last years longer. Treat it well. Listen when it speaks. Fix small problems early. Your wallet will thank you. Most people wait until something breaks. Smart drivers don't. They prevent problems and before they become expensive. If you learned something today, hit like. Subscribe to Zero to Mechanic because every week we help drivers save money, protect their cars, and drive with confidence. Until next time, drive smarter. Drive longer.